Well, we got the engine out, kicking and screaming, and just wanted to show you just how much cake there is on the top of this mower frame where the engine mounts. I mean, I've never seen a mower this bad. I don't even know what that is right there. Oh, that's the for the throttle cable right here. It's man, props to this stuff right here. Dawn, the greaser. This stuff works really good. So, oh man. Won't even come. It's so sticky. Look at this. I'm not filming it. Whoops. I mean, it's so sticky that it's just, yeah. So, I really wish I had a hot seat, but I don't. So, it's got a date with the pressure washer. This entire thing is. And we don't have brakes. So, that'll be fun to try and get those off. I mean, everything's right here, so it's not that bad. Could be a lot worse. But anyways, that's an update on the John Deere S92 from, I think, 1985. Well, let's look right here. Yes, it is. It's a 1985. It's a 52707. Full flathead. Thanks for watching.